Hey guys, this is Fundom on Shopagama. Tonight on Imbeu, after Nairobi and Shira catch Jody as she tries to escape, Jody reverses the spell. Nairobi and Shira triumphs over their recently conquest. However, Shira is tempted by a new suitor who could cause a conflict. The community rev with eggs and tension starts to become an unexpected headache for Tusheleni. While Makosazana confronts Kulego about his feeling, he wants Kulego back and enjoy their lives. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Let me feel